How are you, everybody, dear students? I think that all students must be quite well in your own homes. Coronavirus all over the world, it is very fatal disease. In the meantime, our government directions to the school, college, madrasa, the online class sessions conducted by teachers. I think that all students must be attentive to the online class sessions and take part the cordially class sessions, online class sessions. At first, I shall introduce to you. My name is Satyendranath Mondal. I am assistant head teacher of Patrakola Ashadari High School. I shall take part the online class sessions in class 8. Dear students, my class sessions start before. At first, I took question in your blackboard. When I write down the question in your blackboard, at first you follow the questions. Next time, you write down your notebook and answer to these questions. Please look at the blackboard. I write two questions in your blackboard. The first question. I write two questions in your blackboard. The first question, how can we fit? The second question, what helps us healthy? Dear students, recently I answered to this question, how can we fit? We can fit for physical exercise. There are many kinds of physical exercise, playing, swimming, etc. Have you understand my answer to these questions? The next question is what helps us healthy? The what helps us healthy? Healthy helps us sound mind and sound body. I think that all students must clear to my answer. Today I discuss about the topics of hygiene. Dear students, please write down your notebook. Hygiene. Hygiene. Unit 3, Lesson 3, Grade 8. Dear students, please open your textbook and go to the page number 21, Unit 3 and Lesson 3. Dear students, I think that there are many unknown words include your topics. In the meantime, some keywords. Write down your blackbook and at first I correct pronunciation and indicate the parts of speech. Next time I through the blackboards are similar word. Dear students, look at the blackboard. At first I write word. At first I write word. This word is hygiene. Hygiene indicate the parts of speech. Noun. Hygiene means cleanliness. Cleanliness. It is the similar word. Next time I write the similar word. Yours. Godliness. Godliness. Correct pronunciation. Godliness. It indicates the parts of speech. Noun. Parts of speech noun. It is the similar word of religiousness. Religiousness. Dear students, I think that these keywords or unknown words understand all students. This is the systems of our keywords. There are more keywords includes your textbook. Dear students, now I through the three question purpose of your day's lessons of hygiene. Please look at the textbook and follow the question. At first I read out these questions. What can be a hothead of germs? How many times should we brush our teeth a day? Number 3, what kinds of water should we drink? At first I throw the 3 questions purpose to you. Next times I read out these topics. Please listen to the topics carefully. The word hygiene means the practice of keeping ourselves clean. It also means to keep our home and workplace clean. It is important for our good health. Hygiene is thought to be next to godliness. It is because we cannot achieve anything physically, mentally or spiritually. If we are unclean in our body, mind and soul, nobody likes an unclean person either. So we must follow the rules of hygiene. First, we must keep our body clean. We should have a bath every day and wash our hair regularly. This will keep the body and hair free from dirt and bacteria. Secondly, we should wash our clothes regularly. Dirty clothes gives a bad smell and invite germs. We should wear socks and shoes when we go out to protect our feet from dust and germs. It is also important to wash our hands before meals and after using the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day, after breakfast and supper. We must also cut our nails regularly. Our drinking water must be safe. We can get safe water by boiling and filtering. Finally, we should keep our surrounding and environment clean. If we do and follow all the above things properly, we will be able to lead a healthy and happy life. I think that all students clearly listen to my speaking. Next time, dear students, I think that these topics understand clearly. Next time, I write true and false. To question true or false. Next time you understand this question. Cleanliness is part of good health. What is true or false? This question answer the true, because cleanliness is the part of our health. It is the universal truth. The next question. Dear students, the next questions, we need to wear socks and shoes to look smart. All students clearly understand my speaking and write down these functions of grammar. This question is false, because when we protect the germs, we take socks and shoes. There is no systems of smart. This is the question and answer to. I think that all students clearly to my answer. Dear students, look at the third questions. I write two completing sentence according to your day's topics. I think that all students clearly understand my class sessions. Number 1. If we are healthy, we must be clean so that. Dear students, I write to incomplete sentence to your blackboard. At first, the incomplete sentence: if we are healthy. If we are healthy, we get. This answer: we are leading happy life. We are leading happy life. This is the answer. The next question: we must be clean so that we can fitness. Second question's answer: we can fitness. This is the incomplete sentence. The complete purpose to you. Dear students, this is the English first part class. I think that all students must carefully these class sessions. It is very important class. I think that every day you take part the online class, develop up your skill, develop up your students' life. Dear students, at last I threw the homework in your blackboard. Please look at the blackboard and write down your notebooks the homework. Homework. Write a short paragraph. Write a short paragraph. How do we obey the rules of health? How do we obey the rules of health? Dear students, it is the homework. How do we obey the rules of health? Dear students, our class is finished. I think that all are quite well. Every day you take part the online class sessions. I think that your skills development day by day. At last, I pray to my God, may God bless you.